All right, guys, so this is video number 2 of the Averly series. I am in plan 2, Bedford community in Corona. Again, Averly plan number 2. This is gonna be a little bit larger. This is from Tri Point Homes. A little bit larger than plan number 1. So let's go see what the difference is. This is me looking at everything in real time, so everything is brand new for me as well. Plan 2. So 1409 square feet, which is about 100 square feet larger than plan number 1. So let's go ahead and take a look. All right. Fantastic. So open floor plan. This is the flex space with the family room / living room right here. Kitchen, nook, and then dining area. All of these new builds are gonna be very similar in the sense of having one large great room downstairs. This is because, for the most part, I mean, this is where you're gonna be spending 90% of your of your time with your family. So you want one big space where you're able to just connect, make memories, and just be with each other. You know, versus the home that I came from, or that I grew up in, they had kitchen separated, living room separated. Everything was separated by walls, so like it was more privacy, which is, you know, cool, I suppose. Sorry, I had to cancel a call there. But, you know, with new builds trying to figure out how to maximize space as much as they can, they want to be able to be more efficient with the square footage, right? So this is how they do so. And I'm all for it. But this is gonna be giving you a nice different feel for the finishes, right? For the different finishes that you could get if you are looking to buy a home with Tri Point Homes. I think the Tri Point home number 1 had the white finishes, but this is a gray feel. So this is definitely more industrial, not as chic looking. I don't know if you want to call it masculine, but I mean, it gives you a little bit more of a, I don't know, it gives me a masculine vibe. Again, this is just me being subjective, my own personal kind of opinion on it. I really, really like this color though. I love this darker theme. That's probably my favorite part so far, guys, is looking at this fixture right here. The light fixture is something totally unique I've never seen in any of my home tour videos. I'm all for it. It's kind of IKEA looking, but definitely more premium. This is something that, you know, you leave and you just remember. That's fantastic. We'll give you a little pan from here. So yeah, this is downstairs area. Let's take a look at what else is here. All right, this is your half, much larger than the half bathroom in model number 1. And it is truly located downstairs. If you recall, plan number 1 had a bathroom going to the right after these initial stairs. So stylistic choice is not a big deal, but if, you know, some people prefer something else. Here's your coat closet. What is this? Okay, kind of like a pantry right here. Right, fantastic. Something at plan 1 didn't have was this little pantry, and this is the garage. I don't know if it's open. Nope, it's locked. So, but here's your view. Visualize with me as you walk home from work, and then you walk right into your downstairs living area. Beautiful. Feel the vibes, guys, feel the vibes. Now let's go ahead and take you upstairs. Have this nice carpeted finish right here. Okay, so 2 left turns for this one. All right, so this is the master to the left, which I'm gonna show you at the very end. So again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. Here's bathroom number 1. Look at the flooring here. Decadent, but different from plan number 1. Same idea, it's gonna be your tub. Right here, definitely a little bigger than plan number 1. And this is bedroom number 1. Beautiful carpet here, definitely industrial carpet. And they staged this like a home office. This room is noticeably larger than all the rooms in plan number 1. Still not a walk-in closet, but the slide door closet, which is great. You can see the pan from this corner. I love these. Home office definition. Let's circle back to this. This is great. I look at that fan. Similar to the fans in Everly Plan number 1. This one doesn't have a matte finish though. This one's a little bit more of a just natural finish here. So I would say this one is more rectangular. I would say maybe 12, 13 feet going this way, maybe 10 feet going this way. So very much larger than the rooms in Plan number 1. And here's your bedroom. See what it looked like. Check out that chandelier. Yeah, definitely 12 by, has to be 12 by 12. And it looks like that closet's a little deeper too versus the other closets. Deep enough to have like a storage system over here. The mirror's right there. This has to be a queen size bed. So you could kind of get a good idea of the dimensions and perspective. Plenty of room on either side to have bedside tables with a queen size bed in the middle. All right. Now let's go ahead and, oh, actually, washer dryer? Correct. Stack washer and dryer. And I always say it, guys, you want your washer and dryer upstairs for the conveniency. You don't have to lug the laundry baskets up and down the stairs. Wow. Oh, okay. Here is the master bedroom here. This is something unique. Shelving system right here on my left side. That's nice to have. You can be very creative with how you utilize this shelving system. And then here on the back side, you have that panel over here to give it some depth. Good size. Maybe 15 by, I don't know, 15 by 15, maybe smaller. That's definitely a king bed. A rather large back end right there too. So yeah. And I love the windows. You have 3 windows, so you kind of almost look like a picture frame, and beautiful days out here in California, as you can see. So you want to take advantage of that California weather. Check out these flooring here. This is the master bath. Cool, his and hers. You have the black top finish right here with the gray, just like downstairs, the kind of smoke gray with the chrome handles. Beautiful walk-in, very large. And then you have your lavatory. This chevron pattern is really cool. It's making me it looks pretty interesting. Like through the camera, you can see the 3D effect. And here's your walk-in closet. This is definitely a really good size, more deep, and then feels more grand in here versus the master closet in Plan number 1. Good, fantastic. All right, guys, so that is going to give us the finish for Plan number 2 in Everly. Gonna walk downstairs so you can see the last view of the great room downstairs. So again, a little larger, 1,400 square feet versus 1,300 square feet. You can definitely see the difference in square footage with the rooms upstairs. Maybe a little bit downstairs on the great room as well, but that extra 100 square feet, you could definitely feel, right? So if you need more room, if you like larger rooms, I mean to say, Plan number 2 is probably the best way to go. Plan number 2 in Everly. All right, now if you have any questions, you want to tour this property, definitely give me a direct message. I'd be happy to assist. If you have any questions, you want to talk about the home buying process, definitely shoot me a direct message. I'd be happy to assist. And until the next video, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to continue to see more videos like this. Peace.